about adding custom codes. So you start out with your custom codes in setting, and our codes are here. So you can add custom codes. I've added a few already. The other codes are already in the system in the drop down, the most popular ones. But let's say you wanted to add a custom code for the O1 item that's a weekday item. So we'd pop that code there. I'm just going to copy it. Now that's already in our favorites. So a reason you might have to create a custom code with this is if you were working with another person who you were going to charge a different rate to. So say this is for Peter Grant, for example, and we're going to call it the same thing that we call the other ones. It's a core support, and we're charging Peter $67 an hour, and we can even put in here Peter Grant code. So that's one way of saving a code. So if you wanted to do the same for a travel code, I'm just going to make it up. And again, it's for Peter, and we're going to put in, maybe we're only charging Peter 80 cents, for example, each. So when we get across to our invoicing or our shifts, to add that in, I'll jump in here to the shift that's already going as an example. We can choose our drop-down menu. So all our usual codes are here. Those are already pre-filled, but here's our custom codes that we've created at the very top. So you can see here, we've got our daily active rate for Peter Grant. So we can say, yeah, we want to use that one today, and that'll automatically bring in that hourly rate. So we're still traveling 5 kilometers. Let's update the shift. And we can go over to invoices and create that invoice. And here's our $67 an hour. And we've done the travel. So here's our PG line item there. You can see that's automatically come across. And here's our 5 kilometers travel. So then that's where we can choose the one we've already put in. So it's a matter of putting it in once, and it's going to always be there. But if you need particular items duplicated, for example, you might need another one of these and another one of these. Just simply put the initials or something else that lets you know that that's who that code is for. So it should be pretty easy to get all the codes you need in once, and then they'll always be there.